how to enable image search in Qwen AI. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. If you wish to enable image search in Qwen AI, then all you will need to do is simply follow these easy steps. First, head on to the chat.qwen.ai, which is the official address for the Qwen Studio. Now once you're here, click onto your profile picture at the bottom left corner of the screen, and then from this menu, select Settings. Now within Settings, select the Personalization tab, and from here, expand the Advanced if it is not already expanded. Now from here, you will see this image search in the second option. This is used to search the internet for image resources related to specific keywords, returning images, source links, descriptions, and other information. To enable, simply click onto this toggle and you can see that image search has now been enabled. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a great and wonderful day ahead.